very careful then how you live, always giving thanks to God. Ephesians 5:15 and 20.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Always Giving Thanks was written and read by Wynne Collier.
Ephesians chapter 5, verses 15 to 20. Be very careful then how you live, not as unwise, but as wise, making the most of every opportunity, because the days are evil. Therefore, do not be foolish, but understand what the Lord's will is. Do not get drunk on wine, which leads to debauchery. Instead, be filled with the Spirit, speaking to one another with psalms, hymns, and songs from the Spirit. Sing and make music from your heart to the Lord, always giving thanks to God, the Father, for everything, in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Always giving thanks. A 50-ton female humpback whale swam into a web of crab lines off the coast of California, trapping her in a tangled mess. Hundreds of feet of line and hundreds of pounds of traps wrapped around her body as she struggled to stay afloat. 4 divers came to her rescue, swimming under her belly. For an hour, they cut rope. Dangerous work, since one flap of her tail could have killed them. After they freed her, rather than immediately escaping, she swam to and gently nudged each diver. It felt to me like she was thanking us, one rescuer said. Whether or not whales are able to express gratitude, being thankful is truly an important part of being human. It's vital for our life with God. Many of us thank Him for larger blessings, the birth of a child, or healing from a disease. However, Paul tells us to offer gratitude for every gift we receive, for every bit of goodness we encounter. We're to be always giving thanks to God, the apostle writes in Ephesians 5. Not sometimes, not only for exceptional moments, always. And to make sure he's made his point, Paul adds a bit more. Make the most of every opportunity and give thanks for everything, he says. Genuine gratitude is more than an occasional word we offer. It's the posture of our lives. Gratitude turns us to God over and over again, always giving thanks in celebration. Let's pray. God, you are good from beginning to end, and you do good for us constantly, even when we don't see it. But help us to see. Thank you for all of the little and large things you do for us. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. What gifts can you thank God for today? How can you move toward a posture of gratitude?
Batoka Iterir omredel ngaringi omredel logi wa arol omredel logi wa sugang mo omredel logi wa asenkyo aikal rogui Iterir omredel logi wa sugang masenkyo arogui lulir tirarubak kadomesra a Biblia Iterir omredel ra roman sra trum eder klol biongel ra gotten mor eder gegarel bads mulk mo Arbeklaad, agirin mol ngasengs raklisi ngar omredel. Lendiak omredel, diak loak a Dios. Leger rogui, ngaringil omredel, amatal mara Dios. Mengigel tok omredel, a tok ralulter ke klia Dios. Mengigel tok a dingilo uir, a karagarin morngi. Ler mangadredel, a diak tegudel, bedul amru laungil. Tabaik tegudel, bedul amru lamaknit. Kau reng, malakabomatak, taraklisi, ra omredel, alo ay say, engungil morula ungil, malodang asaw. kakmal maral masaul ablol sab emrongo sitial batra biblia ligirir al marredel lo dolil tertir malo aro gyasiuka ar marredel el madalm lo gyasiuka masenkyo aro guilo akarubak ndiak o marredel ndiak lo gyawarubak al korar rarngum e vimotngei arubak amalut e malil tramo marredel rabelu lo gyasiuka masenkyo umsulang.
Research shows that hackers may already be inside your network. Ransomware, email scams, service disruptions, cyber theft. Guardian Cyber helps organizations identify hidden threats, remove hackers from their systems, and strengthen their defenses before serious damage is done. We provide cybersecurity assessments, network cleanup, ransomware recovery, digital forensics, and expert guidance tailored for Palau and the Pacific. Guardian Cyber, Palau's cybersecurity experts, ready when you need us. For more information, email guardiancyber19@gmail.com or visit guardiancyber.online.
Behavioral Risk Factor Surveillance System Palau. Radio Public Service Announcement. Masulang, the Ministry of Health and Human Services is launching BRFSS Palau, a health survey for adults 18 years and older. If your household is selected, a trained interviewer may call and invite an adult to participate. Your answers are confidential and help Palau understand health needs, improve services, and plan for a healthier future. BRFSS Palau. Our health, our data, our future. Take the call. Your voice matters. Palau Visitors Authority, 15 days public notice, July 1 to 15, 2026. The public is hereby informed that the Palau Visitors Authority of the Government of Palau will be soliciting proposals from interested CPA firms to conduct the single audit for Palau Visitors Authority for the fiscal year 2025-2026. The specifications, along with evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available soon. A new period for submitting proposals will begin immediately after expiration of this notice and shall continue for 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined appropriate by the Managing Director. For more information regarding this notice, please contact Judy N. Sabino at Palau Visitors Authority at telephone 488-2793, 488-1930, fax 488-1453, email judy@pristine.pw. Republic of Palau, Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division. Public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested business companies to supply BCBP uniforms and accessories for ROP. Specifications for needed items will be available after July 24, 2026. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief Property and Supply Division, at the address noted below for copies of the specifications. Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Coror, Palau 96940. Phone 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016. Email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by federal grant P26 Trans F1. Invitation for bid number IFB 2826. Public notice July 10, 2026 to July 24, 2026. Bidding period July 25, 2026 to August 25, 2026. Opening date August 26, 2026. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on August 25, 2026, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number as well as the company name must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary. Signed, Charnel D. Sumang, Chief, Property and Supply Division.
Kadebel subdra kodal. Tia kadebel subdra kodal lol top dringa madrang bo Tami or Mangsao Junior. Madrang smos makariwachi Justino maat wermol norona ruo. Adalbar olbed helasyo ngira ibakas ngira tangadik Wilbert ngira kamrang. Ngira Royce Francis Kip Oda Oldulay Subris. Roman Mengloi Esberakdung Edwin Chogay Madalabay Haribsebs Iromel Benedict Mengloi Merbin Chiliang. Algirela kodale la targidra Iterir Yutaka Mengloi. Almnosmera tu taora July 4, 2026. Mabadangila nga ramor game la motroko kul motobra July 23, 2026. Aldigamaldi leladu. Magim subdra kumyor bebi nga mama kaw adal-adra babaldao. Rakayuk lamabatas padal al murayol dao. Madipo mo dangi mongi rakamanga te kumakail subda al motobra riula. Kop malmsulang.
Kadebel subda. Takadebel subda lol tobda nga uwang ete Matias Erbay. Erdal asong Pastor Sway, Yadra Butalbay, Ling Inabo, Baya Lui Ngiratreged, Dwight Ngiraybay, Ramaliga Bleso, Makonrad Allel, Rasarel Makodale La Rimir Hayes Ngiratreged, Elmosmera Ea El Gabsingil El Al Onge with El Buil, July 8. Malwa ise yakamaldile lamlamotorko kolmoringira Lui Eti Wel Gabsingil El Al Onge with El Buil, July 29. Magim subdra rokwil adamam mabomodangay edongi rakamang leko makail subda. Signed Conrad Allel.
Subdra kodal. Ya subdra kodal lol top dringa ngira abayad Matthew Elbelau. Ngira mo mis asaito. Ngira iragas Paudistar Lula Petrus Itelmong. Tirat ngarun koreti wasisang. Ngira ingas piliani Thomas. Kolabas Aloysius Talay. Raul Arnold Oilo at Kadasaw Morales Ramaroy. Ngira takaw Bibianomat. Mabuy kiat Jefferson Thomas. At motargid Bechekldil Akemi Elbelau Thomas am los mercer ngaim Lorior Friday aledel kapsingil alalong ewidel builo kapatangil ang ramor gem lamotrok lakamaldilel el morning asbadong leal kapsingil ngayal builo August 8, 2026 el di morning barang rupasang magim subdra Bechekldil ng ayang al babalda orior mayolda madibo madangay edongin aspedel matletele lakamaldilel ang altargid Bechekldil di motto gururiula ko malmasulang edong at mokla panangit iya Dios lumakal tanga trigidro kuy. Sain ira abayat Matthew Elbelau ngira ramoy mis asaito ngira iragas Paudistar Lula Petrus Itelmong dirat ngarur koreti wasisang ngira ingas pilani Thomas Kolbas Aloysius Talay Raul Arnold Oilo ngira takaw Bibianomad Kadasaw Morales Ramaroy mabuy kiat Jefferson Thomas.
Subdrak maldil maaldadura Chesi Sengebau. Sisul subdrak maldi lalol tobda nga karay kam sekchin muew postol ramliga mamadra oleb evan Sengebau el murarogul adamam el ngarang ayang el babalda mayolda wel mo mlamotorgok lak maldilel maaldadura targidra Chesi Sengebau el mlo Wednesday July 15, 2026 el di Marina Santos Borja Chapel el ngarayray ya 12 p.m. en tobda el mura fisheries da el mura blilyo Emoklo rablilaw Elbelau lerul sigang 2 hours emo umdak ra olgul rangasyaw. Mang ayang lagim subdrar the orig si mang bandari maebi lungireng takawo mamo subdrar adadrang ardoko. Ngarar dagim subdara dilbu the Christina Sali mamo subdar adadra ngar adok marangalga. Ngirarois Francis Kib maebi larois mihaynata Marcel. Subdra ngiraw bisur ganay mamosubdar adad marangalga. Subdra Reynard Isawo mamosubdar adad marangalga. Ngartmaw agim subdar ngalge lamle dir oirem dangalay hipelas mamosubdar adad. Ngaramlanguy agim subdar ngalge lamle ngirutel I emiwomad mamosubdar adad. Ngiwal agim subdar ngalge la baab rangalge la bertang tamol rangalge la Choco Peloy rangalge la Tosco Inasyo ma Augusta Sabo mamosubdar adad. Iray agim subdara ngiraged Robert ngirablagu mamosubdara adad. Rangalge labeo at tuti, rangira ite Dr. Yano, madiraw rakam alin sa sato, mamosubdara adad. Oryo ragim subdara aspangal dabdebra esbay, wadal adi siklihiga, mihay na erungla, kyomi isida, diramtawi yal talatka madrang ar, berimun okabe, legislator Jennifer Agiwo, mamosubdara adad ra omrokongla. Rangalgela noboru ramliga, raobak, ramanglang, lerins ramliga, mangitob ramliga, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalgela haruo ramliga, rakahili ramliga, maarti ramliga, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalgela mle diluew Susana, raalbina da albay, marbebi rakaw. Tricia ngira adeng, marbebi rakaw. Rangalgela baumert, ra Lourdes matalab, maklaret matlab, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la yano rangir etet Norbert, migo Grace yano, maroman yano, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Sabino, ra Antonio, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Ngirasmau, Ramlamey, Lina, Maantero, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Tagego, ra Desiree Yaad, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Idabong Ragoreti, Mariar Or, Chan Adelbay, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la kay Ichi, Dalmel, Rarangul Stacy, Maebil Abbas Mary Ann Dalmel, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Madeol, ra Roberta Low, mamosubdra bebi ragaw marangalga. Rangalge la Mledilburg, Josefa Talay, ra Natalia Coskelin, Jennifer Coskelin Gibbons, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Kmedrang Augustin, ra Dingalius Eugene Uehara, Junior Ngiraged, Kayla Shiro, mosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Blue the Faustino, ra Natalia Faustino, Mates Golia, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalge langir omlay tele ra dira tamakong June ito, dirangalul Angeles Napoleon, maadabdang Saturnino Tewid, Upin Takasi, Nasaria Chiba, mamosubdar bebi ragamiw. Rangalge la Belio Sengebau ra Earl Belhart, Magdey Belhart, mamosubdar bebi ragamiw. Rangalge la Oygul Sengebau, Ramasami Sengebau, Ruby Shikit, Phoebe Alul, Nginamatur Dominic Sengebau, Kenny Sengebau, Everson Sengebau, mamosubdar bebi ragamiw. Rangalge la Francisco More, Radingalius Inacio More, Mapia Ramangasaw, Siskamis, Siang Saiske, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalge lamlem uew Augusto Sengebau, Radilu udu Sengebau Senior, Ngirabidul Madalmadu Fred Sengebau, Maireng Sengebau, Ngiramaloy Felix Sengebau, Rangalge lamle Blamius Malin Sengebau Chin, Rahelen Sengebau, Paul Chin, Cynthia Chin, Balang Maysay Chin, Maygok Chin, Maylang Chin, Mayang Chin, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Kus, Rangalge la Taway, Ramlee Baunina Taway, mamosubdra rangalga. Rangalge la Amaw, Rateori Ngiraingas, mamosubdra bebi rakaw. Rangalge la Bomalamay, Rachinet Ito, Dirngarakwak, Janet Dewid, Jennifer Ngwal Agira, Rangalge la Bauloong, Radira Osel, Mariana Postol, Marbebi Ramiw. Rangalge la Mareng Siksay, Radawait Masami, Sofia Sid, mamosubdra adad marangalga. Rangalge la Iror wa Michael, Rateo Isamu, Obadraw Alyo, Elizabeth Isamu, mamosubdra bebi ramiw. Rangalge la Ngatpong Ngirngasang, Rakyoko Solang, Ngaradok Nobuwo, Elvira Blanc, mamosubdra rangalga. Agi direk mesubdra natsko ngamalas, mamosubdra rangalga. Pelilio agi mesubdra irul ngirngasang, Paula Ramliga, Edburg Mabel, Lili Ramliga, Edline Mabel, Marina Ramliga, Magwen Rekmel, mamosubdra rangalga. Agi direk mesubdra rangalga la Balwong Tilay, Rabutalbay James Balwong, mamosubdra rangalga. Ngayawra agi mesubdra Dib Angel Sali, Maruot Kyuy the Sisuko Sali, Ulong-ong Mario Gulibert, Mapyong Ngirutang, mamosubdra adad, Ragablil Ratmiw. Agi direk mesubdra rangalga la Rosang Kasuo Michael, Mauel Ramadeb, Warren Fukuichi, mamosubdra adad marangalga. Klamate la subd, agi olngiter tirgel adamamal din nakal madungang clear, malakal bol maknitaran rir, may madakay nga sera Wednesday, July 15. Abolakal sa Emil May, edidakalat karang lungu, mapaltigareng. Kompmal masulang, signed, karay gamsek chin, muew postol ramlig, Madra Oleb Events Sengebau. Subdra Maldile la Chesi Sengebau, Wednesday, July 15, 2026. Palau Funeral Home, Mabalilyo. Tiasub Dramaldile la Chesi Sengebau, Loltobdringaw Elsias Shalom et Pisong, Itpik James Ngiratreged, Spasung la Francis Mariur Matsutaro, Ngirariang Benraik Isak, Ngikleb Alphonse Kumangay, Ngirakramius Kamsek Itchin, Welut A. Faik Elbelau, Maremus Ngirmaay, Telkmo, ang alagede targid ra Chesi Sengebau, amlos meersera July 2, 2026, Rabelao National Hospital, Emlamotorok la Maldile len moringira July 15, 2026, Elonge de Lurior, el di moringira Palau Funeral Home, Lomura etiuklora tutau 9 a.m., El Mosuelb 12 p.m., Emodoidre Kramlay, El Mura Fisheries Dak, Emorabililyo, Mengloi Rablil Obgul Raw Elbelau Rayungla, Lerul Sigang, Emo Uraklo Lolgul, Rangarol, Elmomadakla. Malwaise gim subdra admamal ngaraigal baldu kriol belu. Mang ayang lagim subdra madray saus mandarang, maru elmi remok tamargub, maobi lulongong aholiba Albert, mamo subdra ngalga, emay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Ang rar dagim subdra madar ngabuk da tami irmang South Junior, madrangas mos Magario Watsi, Stomi Naruo, Marta Dever, Maria Hapson, Malaura Hideos, mamosubdar adad marngal emay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Amal gayo kagim subdra oligong Polycarp Basilius, Ngiratreged Saint Andres, maebil adalbay Valeria Toribong, marbebi ringi. Ng esar agim subdra obaram u Sydney Mobel, Mabuk Emil Maruy, Goreti the May Wasisang, Marangalgela Hitora the May. Orio ragim subdarangalgela Sayoko Iyar, Marangalgela Sagigo Sambal, Senator Chesua Kosiba, marbebi ringi. Agidirekal masubdra President la Senate el Hokons Baules, marbebi ringi. O sisil subdra maldile la Chesi Sengebau, Amoranan si Wong Bells, marbebi ringi. Ebil Inabo, Ling Inabo, Madaski Giramur, mamosub darangal emay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Rangalgelam les pasung liosiwo ngirayngas ra Henry Yosiwo, mamosub dara bebi rakaw emay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Agidirek kalmasub dara delegate Sueni Ongidobla, diraybay Benita Arong, Engracia Jesus, Alodia Persinger, Pius Jesus, Sami Jesus, Ebil Matsutaro, Maerbay Matsutaro, Junior Adalbay, Pabaldaw ma Susaw Ringil, Harry Ringil Jr. Madalas Ringil, Nancy Ringil marbebi ringi, agidire kololngitram, dira umrang debit kel sabal marbebi ringi, mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Agidire kalmasubadra kadwin kokits, mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. O sisil subadra kamaldile la Chesi Sengebau, amoraw elbil tarmaw ngirmang marbebi ringi, rangalgelay galaw yagar kikrel av, Ramel Luis ngir maat, masusan ngirausuy, mamosub darangal emay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Rangalgela Aluil S. Pedro, Radil Ekalbay Linda Pedro Yob, Ngiratrang Pedro, Beverly Uldak Ngiraramyang, Riyang Lay Pedro, Maan Lati Pedro. Agidirek kalmasub dara Sara Kabakol, Machino Kabakol, Rangalgela Norman Chin, Ra Kevin Chin, Renee Chin Masang, Ngirariang Chin, Mateng Chu Chin. Agidire kalmasubdra Eve Abraham, mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Rangalgelam les pasungla Taktay Chin, Ramesay Chin, Mapol Chin, marbebi retir. Lali Chin Sakuma, rangalgela Yuang et Pisong, Ranayami et Pisong Yob, Odray Rosemary Ngiratreged, Dirasnges Karen et Pisong Maydasil, Jemima Finegan, Carol Telay, Tafok et Pisong, Mangaleel et Pisong. Paul Wong Jr., Mauradni Wong, agidire kalmasubdra Sing Ichi Chin, Willie Chin Mariur, Keigo Chow Marangalgel, Marangalgela Hirosit Magay, mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Rangalgela Masaya Dame, Ra Dexter Tamangil, marbebi ringi. Dilikleb and Mary Solang Francisco, mamosub darangal gemay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Diray galaw Lali Gibbons, Gloria Kumangay Kailang, rangalgela masawo Kumangay, Ra Victor Kumangay, marbebi ringi. Usisulsub damura Kimi Jensen, Ruby Shikit, Masami Sengebau Marangalgel, Evan Sengebau Marangalgel, Nina Ngirangol, Doris Bemo, rangalgela Maito Tatingal, rangalgela Bears Tatingal, Elbelau Rayung, Makaypo Rayung, rangalgela Ngiradilub Masami Elbelau, Rasami Elbelau, marbebi ringi. Agidire kalmasub drangir ongor Droteo Nakata, Jacinta Nakata Isidoro, Alphonse Nakata, Kirino Nakata, Malena Trungulbay. O sisulsub drakmeldile la Chesi Sengebau, Amora Nelson Sishore, Maoligong, Ra Tigay, Harvey Sishore, mamosub dar bebi ragmiw emay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Agidire kalmasub dram ngi ekalbay Calisto Joseph, nginamuay Adelino Santos, Oilal Ernest Ongidobla, Krakri ay Samrael Samsel, mamosub dra Hiromi Asanuma, Barbara Tulob, Marcela Santos, Marangalgara ekalbay, mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial albul. Ailakal spedelaw elsya shalom et pisong amorarideb o kavat itong malmear ngalgem ra Myers ti itong Clark ti itong Sally Solablay Wanda Ramliga Manadia Benhart tamal nga sukumamer ti Elbelau. Agi direkal masubdra ngalgelaw rig Maui ra Yonami Saal ma Victoria Maui marbebi retir. O sisil subdra kamaldile la Chesi Sengebau amorarangil ra okrang Elbu Savang mamosubdra ngalgelab Esrak u Eli Mio masavang etibek may madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. Ablilyo ang imsubdra blitang yoit singewo, mabalang ulang wong, mamosubdra bebiragmiw may madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. Agi direk kalmasubdra wadal adro salin da mresabang, mamosubdra ngal garang silyong may madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. O sisil subdra kamaldile la Chesi Sengebau, amora Barbara Solang umadib, olsing iyakar, marangalgela Paul Gubari, mamay madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. Agi direk kalmasubdra Raver Smul, marbebi ringi. Rangalgelam lew Elbil, kringalyav, malmay madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. Ang ayaw ragim subdra Obak Andres u Elbelau, Ebil Inaria Agitaya, Talobat Tonggo Kate marangalgem, olngit ratina patros, maramona o ngaliba, mamosubdra edad, may madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. Agidirik kalmsubdra ngalgela mis hitpik, raw eldig sa Yonatus mis, wadalad siya na mis, weldeseng Flavin mis, klolmadra Rich mis, iyoy Chudi Matthew, mamosubdar baby ramiw, may madaalim edray nga sewertial Elbelau. Mbato ka masang mase, marmodel sa baril may nakamaldil, didagalat karang lungu. Edirek kalklamatela subdaw ul, mabolagi mo sisbi ang klem, eldakaw adal-ad, yagi olngit mamay madaalim mertial lulbong, al-alsungulat targi dengalged Chesi Sengebau. Kompmal masulang, edolngit rarubak kaldios, malolmol malamaknal tangat targi darokwi. Signed, Welsias, Shalom et Pisong.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, matiagal tigingel, malub engul de suela dias broadcasting company, tiang aspedirar adlul top derngi e haraorngi, kohmal mesulang.
Subdra kodal magmaldil. Tia subdra kodal magmaldil, lol top dringa tetsing itsato, nirgabay cho suwa kumangay, iyong Benjamin Yob, ngirat ngadig Wilbert ngirakamrang, ngirat nger hiob masubda, el moraro wil adamam rababldab, yoldab, moriorel mo, adenver Sebaklim, el ngalgeladani hi Sebaklim, am lamosme, rem lamotorhok lakmaldilel, el moringira July 17, 2026, el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el moswelbe, e motuab del morabililyo. Mang ayangal, eng spadla, ngiroilang inawo Sebaklim, Billy Graham Gamsong, maoodamra Evelyn Chun Gamsong, mamosubdar bekel other tel Elbelau. Ole ang spadlar Troy Harper Skang, oragidil Macaria Moses, mosubdar bekel other tel Elbelau. Ngarar dagim subdra esang olgril, mosubdra rudam marangal, may madakay nga sewer tel elsang. Togubetsels padela ngirat ngadig Wilbert ngirakamrang, amoragaygi obolo, olturong malmear ngalgem, magim gay nga sewertial Elbelau. Ilakals padela tetsing its sato, amorar ngalgela shiro masakuma, may madakay nga sewertial Elbelau. Ngertma agim subdra masaya gumangay, mautakangal masubdra bekal dakawad, elgireltial Elbelau. Ngaramlangu yung spadla badul daklas Margub, Marciana Maydesil, Blas Lawrence. Ilakals padela tetsing itsato, amorangir turong, mosubdar bekal dakawad, elgireltial Elbelau. Ngiwal ang spadla titay Peggy Hanser, mosubdar bekal dakawad al-ad, may madakay nga sewertial Elbelau. Tigalruba ka direkal masubdra ogerdeo Patrick Talay, Chulita Talay, mamosubdra rangal, may madakay nga sew. Agi direkal masubdra Ulis Rosie Saburo, direkal spadla Uermelek Lateruor ngulbay, may madakay nga sewertial Elbelau. Agi direkal masubdra Dirario Kalista Yamauchi, Ramaseng Isao Sato, Alons Moses, Gloria Andres Meriang, Ninu Bultabay, rangalgela malom sa Yashiro. Agi direkal masubdra odal at tutod Elis, ralu latarong Elis, mamosubdar bekal ngal galgirel tial Elbelau. direkal masubdra Dingalius Moses Yobo, Marigold Yobo, mosubdar bebi ramiu may madakay nga sew. Ilakal spadela ngirat nger Yob masubda, amoran ngalgela termetet, mamosubdar bebi ramiu ertial albul. Madakong mal masulang. Signed, Tet Singit Sato, ngirgabay Joshua Gumangay, iyong Benjamin Yob, ngirat ngadig Wilbert ngirakamrang, ngirat nger Yob masubda. Subdra kamaldile la Denver Sebaklim. Tia subdra kamaldile lontob din ngay Peak James ngiradeng madiliget ne so alablay. Rakamaldile lang alged, ra Denver Sebaklim, el ngalge la Danihi Sebaklim, maatana siya ngiraloy Sebaklim, el ngalge lam late Peak ngiraloy. Lamotorok lang kamaldile lal moringira Friday, July 17, 2026, el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, lomura etiuklora tutaw, 9 a.m., el moswel, 12 p.m. Yaswel Matedob, 12:30 p.m. En tuwab del mora Fisheries Dak, al mora Belilyo. A omra, el almutra o sisiulsil, sara 3 p.m. al mer orior. Makyol ngi trarbek al adama, mal ngaray galbelu al balduk koryo, maloyti ta al sanrir, el may madalim, idakay nga sewer tialulbong, ranggal targid en algid. Magi olingi trarbek al adama, mal ngaray galbelu. Ang eyang ruol mi remot marhub, mosubdrar ad. Adal bayras bangyol, Snow Albert. Ngarard, madar nga bukd, el tami irmang South Junior, daray Iterir Yutaka Mengloi. Ngarsul, obakram el Sydney AET, mosubdrar ad marangalga. Orior, ngir ekalbay Galisto Joseph, mamosubdar bebiregid, may madagay nga sew. Ngiramuay Adelino Santos, mamosubdar bebiregid, may madagay nga sew. Senate President Hokons Baules, marbebirengi. Ngir okreng elbu el sadang, marbebirengi. Rangalgelab eserak etibek, rangalgelay meong etibek, rangalgela meu etibek, rangalgela mort rerer, rangalgela mobile delay, rangalgela mga South Lutao, rangalgela kasuma mga lil, ngirameriang Alex Ramsik marbebirengi, mosubdrar ab, kadwin ito marbebirengi. Ngiraygalaw Francisco Gibbons, mosubdar bebiregid, may madakay nga sew. Oba adrat talbudol Luisa Paloy, mosubdar adad marangalga. Belilyo, idasyar Lester ngiramged, makablira edru a, rangar dalolga. Rangalgela ngiraloy tem, rangalgela sulisang ngiradong, etibek James ngiradeng marbebirengi, rangalgela kasil swalablay, rangalgela mle uel Chuneo Sismau, Raver Smul marbebirengi, Yadri Bugol Kioni Saan marbebirengi. Ngayaw talob at Tonggo Gate marbebirengi. Togubetul sub damura tulungal garakaramyus rangal siyas, el moraw el siyas siyalum et pisong, mau elbil tarmaw ngirmang, mamosub darbebiregid may madakay nga sew. Ar adama malmlodang madungang clear tial sub, agi molingi tertir malakalbol makitarandir, lengklam nga tela sub daw ul. Ebay may madakay nga sew, etirgel mo diakal sa bairil may, akmal diungil basul, edidakalat karang lungu. Kompmal masulang. Signed, Sinton, Swalablay. Padela tulungal gara sa aduy, gabliraw alyaw, ngarkayuk labalilyaw. Kaya subdra kamaldi, loltob niya Elbelau Galisto Joseph, Johnny Yao, ngirongor droteo nakata, yadar talwang Charles Obiang, Teofanus Isamu, Marisong Dennis Rangul, el moraro kuil adrir el ngarababaldab, orior mayoldab mo, at targidra Denver Sebaklim, amlos mera sande el mlechun 21-2026, mapadingin lang aramorgo. Akamaldi lamlamotor ko kulmoringira Friday, July 17, 2026, el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarangat kibra belurayray. Ngamaldi el moswel, yabaldo la tuab del morabililyo, el motuab regelesira protestant el talsigang, en mo umadakla. A omra el almutra ewal clock 4 p.m. el mer orior. Hindi kangalyok maalung la kardi mokol girel tialulbong el sungulang galtargid. Magimsubdar adamam regal belu. Mangar along agim subdragawal dilbug mates skang, Tricia Ngiratreged, mamosubdar da marangalga. Ngarar agim subdar ngalgela diraklay ngula, marangalgela ora koteb. Agi direkal musubdra Esther Talams, ngiroteo Caleb Uduy Jr., ngiratangadik Wilbert, ngirakamrang marbebirengi, Adalbayra Yati, Dwight Alexander marbebirengi, Marta Marcil marbebirengi, Chantarong Jr. marbebirengi. Ngas pasub del Bechekldil may madakay nga sew. Ngat pa nga gimsubdra Siles ngiraramyang, Matansi ngiraramyang, mamosubdar bebi ramiw marangalga. Ngaramlunguy ay gimsubdra Margaret Rangul, Liwen Shiro, Magi Antonio Mamarensya. Mamay madakay nga sew. agi direktal misubdra ko rin narungulbay, mamaurin France, marangalgela isawo si Shore, mamay madakay nga sew. Imali gagim subdra kawal krakri ay samrael samsel marangalgem, ra Alvin Malosi, malgarbes kabay siksay, rangalgela ngiru albat siksay ra Alvarin, Wilfred Mateo Linda, mamgas pasub de may madakay nga sew. Agi direktal misubdra kawal lahay na mami sa maruudam, mamaltur ravel miu may madakay nga sew. Malgayo kagim subdrakal beti mongami, mamosubdra bebi rakaw. Ras tu ulyaw ramar bebi rakaw, mamaltu ravel miu may madakay nga sew. Ira yagim subdra modangasang rakamsik, ebil risong yoskot ultoy, obaad kalalbay olgril, iwong PS, Omebael Basilius, Deborah Alibosang Marangalgel, Uay Hidemi, Dosb Ngirayaol, Dirngas among Lay en Rungulbay, Ur Oib, Lea Sakuma Kyota, Shelby Masami, Carlisa Ngiralmau, Dirulang Violin Tamol, Tatangalel Rungula, Danachin Titimla, Oobiyagar Marbebiringi, Chakwini Naruo, Yorang Brigul, Ongetiu Ailes R. Sura the Marangalgel, Delegate Stephanie Ngir Oymay, Yuur Oymay Daniel, Mamosub Darbebi Ramiu, Omgatal Blayo Kililaw, Matargarang Mes Blayo, Maria Tuti Mira, Anchi Tuti, Tasya Napoleon, Lavlin Rungul, Dolin Tel, Indira Tel Peloy, Long Tel, Shelly Siksay, Marcela Spis, Irang Rungul, Legislator Royce Yoichi Arurang. Aruk tamao lagim subdra rapaal tagewang ngirmakur, ngirgiklang lomisang ngirmakur, mamosubdra ruuliw marangalga. Terbor Michael Mutok, Kennedy Mutok, Legislator Michael Mutok, Morgan Mutok, Raalul Garingang Mates, Fernando Gewi, Lloyd Gewi, Kisley Gewi, John Kennedy, Elwin Skilang, Kautaang Vince Blayok, Iadrabuk, le Governor Norman Ngirataboy, Senator Mason Ngiriabang Whips, Rungul Ngirayaol, Sim Ngirayaol, Legislator Roydan Rungul, Collins Tagewo, John Tuti, Larry Tuti, Mike Tuti, Davis Tamtereng, Carl Skilang, Ernie Skilang, Rangalgela Herencio Tel, Rasangye Masasu, Omigol Ligertang, Singewa France, Wesley Metes, Toley Libosang, Ashley et Pisong, Carlos et Pisong, Erwin Dwight, Willis Marur, Manik Marur, Mosubdar Bebi Ramiu, Kadwin Philip, Mosubdar Bebi Rakaw, Warden Siksay, Gadul Siksay, Howard Uel, Henson Uel, Charles Ngiralmau, Jackson Rengil, McClinton Freeze. Orior, Agim Subdra Dilbug the Christina Sali Marangalgel, Tosco Arbadul, Senator Rubay Kikuo Inabo, Marbebi Rengi, Diratublay Debi M. Ramangasaw, Mlee Paulina Tuay Marangalgel, Teodora Sibetang Miguel, Masiskawa Taru Marangalgiu, Crete Williams Marangalgel, Ngmal Lamyotl Clolad Marangalgel, Kikuye Mates Ngirngasang, Ebil Abbas Batildes Olaol, Marangalgel Rakasue Uegi, Legislator Nyo Uegi, Rangalgel Aiblay Klavik, Mra Grace Rimir, Marangalgel Marbebi Rengi, Baslisa Ginto, Ebiledil Caroline N. Tagada Marbebi Rengi, Olivine Joseph, Chanel Oywerang Joseph, Macholin Motil Joseph, Israela Yao Raklay, Giovanna Yao, Rangalgel Amle Elbelau Philip Clolubag, Ra Oreng Philip, Masharmain Bitilal Igeda, Mosubdar Bebi Ramiu. Turang amad Hasintan Nakata, Harue Nakata, Dil Oligong Terry Ngiraingas, Dora Benhart, Quindina Benhart Obode, Melanie Islam, Doris Ito, Oidudul Siksay, Linda Michael, Berin Mariur, Dilbos Uel, Chewin Humang, Damiana Michael, Colebrang Michael, Kalalbay Tablak, Shirley Esuroy M. Sengebau, Albong Walter Miguel, Ngerak Rose Ruur, Janet Tewid, Chinet Rebes Ito, Jennifer Ngwal, Dilbos Sherry Sishore, Mlame Ongino, Rina Ongino, Kokoy Rungul, Wendy Bauloong, Sarah Cabocol, Christiana Ngiramos Asanuma Marbebi Ringi, Ngolom sa France, Catherine Sishore Marbebi Ringi, En Wakakoro, Bernice Isawo Sishore, Jacinta Oyama Marbebi Ringi, Liz Sims, Maria Ardoor, Chris Joseph, Molina Skilang, Marcela Olwal, Kailani Kini, Dilub Samil, Bayriang Sasawo Adalbay, Suset Marilu Santos, Sofia C, Gloria Masami, Sabet Masayosi, Juliet Ri, Shiomi Masayosi, Ana Gottlob, Elaine Gamilus, Fidela Model, Johnny Gasolei, Teo Sandey, Matarga Rabadabi, Anchela Ngiraloy, Mda Julia Oib, Maalbay the Lucia Oib, Momosub there baby Ramiu. Aruktama lagim subdra Thomas Ngiratreged, Alons Joseph, the Bedeb of France, Radasom Tony Adelbay Marangalgel, President Sunang Whips Jr., Dwight Masami Maruulel, Tony Rimir, Ben Kaipat Ngiratreged, Hector Tatingal, Fraser Bauloong Marbebi Ringi, Riang Yosino, Gustaway, Dwayne Masami, Rulu Philip, Obakalol Peter Napoleon, Clyde Napoleon, Byron Napoleon, Ace Kikuo, Christian Isamu, Alduk Lakabokol, Larry Wakakoro, Antero Boysek, Radis Model, Jesus Sus Sishore, Harvey Sishore, Walter Mariur Jr., James Ngiraramyang, Alphonse Nakata, Legislator Job Kikuo, Eric Whips, Legislator Olga Liao, Cyril Fujimi, Eric Nakamura, Kenny Eleduy, Ahas Kikuo, Johnny Mongami, Ma-Armstrong Polo Develbot. Balilyo agim subadra, Obaadra Ulyo Sabet Isamu, Talat ka France Balwong, Emigo Sabino, Nora Sishore, Mariana Postol, Marchi Blelay, Narit Rabong, Mercy Sims, Rangalgela Smith Olgaril, Rangalgela Edwite Mengirarwa, Ngingatpak Number Napoleon, Andres Napoleon, Hayes Kahue, Alphonse Samil, Elwise Samil, Einer Cabrol, Dan Harusi, Legislator Billy Marbebi Ringi, Dennis Oisawang, Mamadrang R. Girino Nakata. Agi direkal masub dal moran ngalgela Adelbal Airway, Rarangul Yusim Makui, Arasom Benhart Thomas, Rukubay Mayumi Ramlig, Tangalbad Makui, Maprisila Suwalablay, Elizabeth Rideb, Lulutur, Maudibong Basilio, Mamosubdrar Adada Marangalga, Emay Madray Ngasew. Tial mula reng seringil sub, aspadela kamaldile la targidra Denver Sebaklim, el nosme ersera Sunday el June 21, 2026. Armaldi lam otorgo moringira Friday, July 17, 2026, el di moringira Palau Funeral Home and Chapel, el ngarangat kibra Ray. Ngamaldi el moswel, bayabeldo la tuab del morabililyo, el motuab regele sera protestant el talsigang, en mo umadakla. Ya omra el almutal mer orio ratal yal sils. Al ngarngiar adma malmlo urabatak lang clear, lang klamatel tial subdaw ul, yagik mal ayamar, e olngit malakalbol makita rendir, el may magim gay ngasew. Ndira kalkmal bato ka alsang, e kloatretre, marmodekal sab irel may, nkmal diungil basul, e didagalat kerang lungu. Kompmal masulang, yarubakal Dios, lomenggether rokui. Signed, Elbelau Kalisto Joseph, Johnny Yao, Nirongor Droteo Nakata, Other Telwang Charles Obiang, Theophanus Isamu, Risong Dennis Rangul.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, Adiagal Spedel, Madiagal Tigingel, Malub, Engul de Suela Dias Broadcasting Company, Tiang Aspedirar Adlul Top Dengi, Eharaorngi, Kohmal Mesulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Dias Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7, with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours. Oi sine. What do you mean oi sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why? It's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1. Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Deadly force leads to a change. On Lisa Brady, Fox News. ICE is suspending most vehicle stops after a man was shot and killed during an immigration enforcement operation yesterday in Maine, the second deadly confrontation in the past week.
DHS says a migrant who was in the country illegally was shot and killed by an ICE agent. The agency tells us the suspect tried to flee the scene before those shots were fired and was not the target of the operation. There were protests again today. People marching over there to an ICE office about 15 miles south of Portland. They're calling for a full investigation here.
Fox's Alexis McAdams, an ICE source tells Fox the pause is temporary while new training is in the works and that vehicle stops are still possible for targets with violent records or facing serious charges. Police in Florida just reporting that a man running from an encounter with federal agents has been struck and killed by a tractor trailer. Florida Highway Patrol says the man was one of 4 people who got out of a car and ran on foot during an encounter in a gas station parking lot earlier today. President Trump reverses course on a plan to charge fees in a critical waterway both the U.S. and Iran claim to control.
A day after pitching a 20% fee on all cargo sailing through the Strait of Hormuz as compensation, President Trump backed away from the plan.
So I put it out yesterday. I thought it was good. I was called by different people, different countries, kings and emirs.
Instead, the president says Gulf allies will invest billions of dollars in American plants and factories. At the same time, the U.S. is reimposing a naval blockade on Iranian ports, blocking ships from coming and going following days of airstrikes in response to Iran attacking commercial vessels.
Fox's Jared Halper and the U.S. launching more strikes on Iran today. Spain just advancing to the World Cup final with a 2-0 win over France. America is listening to Fox News. A warning from Arizona officials about a scam involving the Nancy Guthrie case.
The Pima County Sheriff's Department says fake posts about the search for Nancy Guthrie are using QR codes to ask for money. The department stressing it will never ask for funds related to this case or any investigation, urging folks not to send money to people they do not know or scan any QR codes requesting payments. Adding, if you see one of these posts, ignore it and report it. Stay alert and help spread the word.
Fox's Christian Goodwin. Multiple agencies, including the FBI, have been investigating Guthrie's disappearance since early February, when the 84-year-old mother of NBC's Savannah Guthrie is believed to have been taken from her home. A U.S. men's national team star at the center of a controversial red card and reversal offers his take on fallout.
United States striker Flo Balogun says the decision to reverse his red card in the FIFA World Cup affected his teammates before their round of 16 match against Belgium. Balogun received the red in the round of 32 game against Bosnia and Herzegovina, disqualifying him from the game against Belgium. But the day before the contest, FIFA reversed the ruling, allowing Balogun to play. Balogun telling CBS Mornings that decision led to a lot of outside noise prior to the match.
I knew it was going to cause a lot of controversy, and I could almost see within my teammates a bit of nerves.
It didn't move the needle in the game as the U.S. fell to Belgium 4-1. Tony Genualdo, Fox News.
President Trump had called the FIFA president to seek a review. The FIFA leader said the reversal was an independent decision not made by either one of them. Against Spain, just advancing to the World Cup final, beating France 2-0. They'll face the winner of tomorrow's semifinal between England and defending champion Argentina. Stocks finished higher after cooler inflation in June. The Dow up just 9 points. The Nasdaq up 233. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.